dice.
Welcome to Las's Kitchen in Cuba. Tonight, for you, we will make the delightful Cuban national dish, Ropa Vieja. We are using flank steak and make sure to cover both sides with plenty of peppers and salt. Next, we brown the flank steak on all sides and build a nice fond in the base of the pan. Lastly, for this first phase of cooking, add back the flank steaks, cover the pot, and now simmer for 2 hours. Remove the flank steak from the stew, and now you can see how easy it is to pull apart the meat. So tender, such an amazing aroma and taste. After which, we return the shredded meat to the pan and add the bell peppers as well as the pimento stuffed olives. Finish up with your choice of herbs, parsley, oregano, and or cilantro. All are very good complements to the Ropa Vieja recipe. Simmer for about another 30 minutes and then serves with your choice of rice and beans and plantains. Wow!